Doug here, and again, more poetry. This one is called Smoker's Spots. So, here it goes. My throat is like ash. Dense pockets of charcoal. Thick globs of oily black residue relinquish my breath. I refuse to abstain from puffing away into a grey nebulous cloud of filth. But, strangely enough, I feel clean. That feeling I get, that unique sensation as a noxious gas rages through my pores and bodily system, systematically killing me off. Menthol crystals create stalactites in the back of my esophagus. Smoke rings speak softly to me in tongues. Only I can comprehend it. A secret language only smokers seem to know. Even since I was a teen, it has captured my attention. In a hidden chest of drawers lies my stash. Every brand known to man resides there. When I sleep, the blunts themselves seem to converse, perhaps plotting ways to do me in when I awaken from restless slumber, choking, barely respirating. Even though they meticulously chip away at life's precious moments that I could be devoting other time to. But alas, I'm aimless, directionless, keeping them tucked in my torn pockets like they are my secret weapon, a weapon of mass destruction. I am discreet in my movements, casually yet openly drawing from them as though they were my life's blood. It robs me of oxygen, yet in its place brings comfort and closure at the expense of my existence. Just like I was pressured to get started, I am nagged every day to quit. But do I listen? Hell no. They believe that I can start anew, but I know those scars might never fully heal. The damage is done. At some point I will stop running, unable to continue as my legs buckle to the floor, crawling, now comatose, passing out, never awakening again. No more breath, no more time.